Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we'll see some of the important facts as well as the numbers regarding the radio subsystem in wireless system. So this comes under the GSM networks. So let's begin. So there are some facts and some numbers regarding this radio subsystem and how the frequency allocation is done and how the various mappings are done in this. So basically, when we talk about the GSM system at the very initial stages or when during its origin, we had two 25 megahertz cellular bands which were used for communication between the home country or home country as well as somebody there outside or between two different countries. So now in that setup, what basically we had is we had two kinds of links. So the very first link, which was 890 to 915 megahertz, it is a band which is used for data transmission, and it was from the subscriber to the base station, also called as the base. It's called as the reverse link. Whereas you had 935 to 960 megahertz band for data transmission from the base to the subscriber. So this is just the reverse of that, and this is called as the forward link. So now in this you can see this forward link has more frequency band allocated as compared to the reverse link. So that was the peculiarity of this radio system in the earlier GSM system. Now for multiple access, for data transmission, for even for service providing the customer, the mobile customer, we have many technologies. We have the frequency division duplexing FDD, we have time division multiple access TDMA, we have FHMA, that is frequency hopping multiple access. Many such techniques are there. And frequency bands of forward and reverse links. So these two links, when it's for frequency bands is just considered, it is being divided into 200 kilohertz channel. And if such a setup is done, then you can call that channels as absolute radio frequency channel numbers. So it's short named as ARFCNs. So this ARFCN, it basically represents a pair of forward and reverse channels. So it will have one forward channel and one reverse channel. So that makes it as an ARFCN, which is being divided into frequency of 45 megahertz. So one forward channel and one reverse link or two of this should be divided within a frequency of 45 megahertz. Now in this one single channel is time shared with 8 CDMA users. So it allows this much scalability of users in a CDMA technique with this radio subsystem in this scenario. Now in this radio subsystem, each user utilizes the same ARFCN which is being generated at the earlier stage and holds a time slot per frame. So whenever he has to do any further kind of activity, he will be allocated in that particular time frame, and then only he can do his activity. Now the transmissions through this radio channels are performed for both forward as well as the reverse links, and it uses a average data rate of about 270.833 kbps, that is kilobytes per second. So that is a data rate if you use or if you do the transmission in this single channel in the radio subsystem. Next you have this time slot which is the time shared, and plus you have the ARFCN which is generated, which is a pair of both reverse as well as forward links. It will give you a setup to mount a physical channel consisting of both forward as well as the reverse links. Now in this setup, what we have is each physical channel will be mapped to logical channel. Obviously in GSM system you cannot have that much number of physical channels, like you have so many components we saw in the GSM architecture, so it becomes a very tedious activity to manage all the channels, and so you have to mount it in a way like it is being virtual. So that's why it's being mapped during some encoding techniques, and it's being converted into a logical channel, and each time slot there is used to handle the traffic data, or it can either control the channel data. So the time slot here plays a very major role, which is used to handle the traffic, which is the incoming traffic coming from the mobile subscribers. Also it is used to control the channel data, the various types of channels which will be there inside that radio subsystem. So well, that was all regarding this quick introduction regarding the radio subsystem. So hope you guys enjoyed this. If you found got educated by watching this video, please do like, share, comment, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching this video.